Hey guys, today's topic is how your closing attorney and your brokerage might actually be hurting your business, not helping it. Our business as closing attorneys is to help you grow your business, not to take away from it. And so what you're seeing is something that's happening a lot in the upstate, and now it's working its way down to Columbia and Charleston. So if you guys in the upstate really need to listen to this, because this is something that we need to get a hold of. So as I was teaching an MCE class to about 200 agents last week online, this topic came up because you're going through the law in the new MCE class, which is a great class, one of the best classes they've ever done at LLR. So my hat's off to them. Way to go, guys. You did a great class. And everybody who's got to take MCE this year, next year, you're going to like it. I promise. A lot of good stuff in there. Now, what we talked about in that is the question came up about how lawyers are trying to buy businesses from brokers, whether they're trying to enter these title insurance sharing schemes and all these other things. And universally, every single agent who was in the chat room was just adding, this is bad. This is terrible for our client. We get nothing out of it. You should earn my business, not try to buy it. So I think it's a very important topic that a lot of agents are getting tired of. And so what we talk about in my podcast this week, and if you can click the link here if you're watching the video, or if you are on some other platform hearing this information, you can simply go to blaircato.com, BLAIRCATO.com, and click on the podcast button on the toolbar, and you can listen to the podcast. But what we talk about is how these things are terrible for your consumer, how it raises their fees, they get less service, they lose all their control in the transaction. But we also talk about how nothing comes to this from the agent. The brokerage will tell you, oh, you the agent, you'll get all kind of benefit from this. You don't. All the money goes to your management. You get none of the fees. They say, oh, we'll give you more tools, or we'll give you more marketing items. That's the job of a brokerage anyway. You shouldn't have to give up your ability and your rights to use attorneys and the lenders and the vendors you've developed relationships with, you trust will do good work for your client. Also, your broker can squeeze a little money out of somebody else. So I think these ideas anyway are all illegal anyway. But even outside of that, they're terrible for your business. Listen to our podcast, and they'll talk more in depth about why you should avoid these, even if your brokers are trying to cram these down your throat. So hope you enjoy it, and let us know what you think.